We were discussing the form of the Petrarchan sonnet. I don't know why it is. I'm really unable to understand why it is disconnecting again and again. But then also, I would upload all these videos in a series there. So, students, we were studying the form of the Petrarchan sonnet. First 8 lines are known as octave, and these consist of two quatrain. And quatrain is a 4 line stanza, 4 lines stanza. तो आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा ये. And first part is known as octave, it has 8 lines, and second part it is known as sestet, it has 6 lines. The rhyme scheme of octave is A double B A, A double B A, and the rhyme scheme of the sestet part is C D E, C D E. In that octave, an idea or an discussion or a new thing, a new way, new idea or new theme is created, and in sestet part, there is a solution, the outcome is given. At the end of the eight, where the idea changes in the sonnet, is known as volta or turn. This question is asked in objective exams. So, dear students, we have come to know about the rhyme scheme of the Petrarchan sonnet, its structure, and then these sestet octave, these are given different names, and which are asked in the examinations also. That octave is also known as Milton's octave or Petrarchan octave or classical octave, and same names are given to sestet also. So, students, after this Petrarchan sonnet, we come to the Shakespearean sonnet, and Shakespearean sonnet is known as British sonnet also. It is also known as modern sonnet. The British poet Shakespeare used it widely. The structure of this sonnet is like this. It has 4 quatrain and 1 couplet at the end. At the beginning of the lecture, I recited the lines of the sonnet 30 went to the sessions. That was Shakespearean sonnet. In 3 quatrains, 14 lines, the idea, the theme is created, the discussion is created, and in couplet, the solution is given. In that sonnet, went to the sessions, we read that how the poet was sorrowful about his past, how he was grieving for that. But at end, in the couplet, he says that when I remember the memories of my friend, all my sorrows go away, all my sorrows are in vain. So, friends, it is the pattern, it is the style of the Shakespearean sonnet. Its rhyme scheme, Shakespearean sonnet's rhyme scheme is A B A B, first quatrain, then C D C D, second quatrain, and E F E F, third quatrain, and last one couplet G G. So the rhyme scheme is also asked in the objective exams. Then last one, the major form of sonnet, that is basic form of sonnet, that is Spenserian sonnet, and that was invented by the poet Spenser, and he made little changes in the rhyme scheme of the Shakespearean or British sonnet, and he used it widely, and he was a well known poet He is a well known poet. So, this sonnet is known by his name called Spenserian sonnet. My dear students, don't be confused with a Spenserian stanza and a Spenserian sonnet. A Spenserian stanza is a 9-line poems which is also which is also used by a Spenserian for his fairy queen, but the Spenserian sonnet is a 14 lines poem. Don't get confused with a Spenserian stanza and a Spenserian sonnet. A Spenserian sonnet is a 14 lines poem, and these also have three quatrains, and at end it has a couplet. There is a little change or a little difference in the Shakespearean sonnet and Spenserian sonnet. In Shakespearean sonnet, we have the rhyme scheme AB AB, CD CD, EF EF, and GG. While in a Spenserian sonnet, we have the rhyme scheme AB AB, BC BC, CD CD, and EF. You see, the rhyme scheme